In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop apps from tracking your activity on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. On Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. And then towards the top of the screen you can easily find Tracking. Just get into it, and that's where you can allow or not allow apps to request to track your activity. So first off, if this option toggled on, you are able to set permission for any app to allow or not allow tracking your activity by hitting at that switchers. And if you want, you can stop apps tracking your activity just by toggling off this setting, which is called Allow apps to request to track. Just hit on that and then select Allow apps to continue tracking or Ask apps to stop tracking. So I'm just gonna select the first one. You can select any one that you want, and that's where you can customize that option. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.